great event actually. I really enjoyed the live demo and interaction. We all talk a lot about AI, but actually seeing the practicalities of Josh using different systems was really enlightening actually.
It's objective. I particularly enjoyed the objectivity of it, so no one's wedded to any one particular system. It's a complete overview of where AI is at the moment in the world, so really enjoyable for that.
So it was a great moment to make it really front of mind for my organisation, and I came here with my Chief Operating Officer, who is now absolutely determined to go back in and properly structure our approach to AI. I think that for our organisation it really has been playtime and we've loved it, but it's time that we really got some efficiency and value back, and I think what we can see now is that the technology is ready. So it's been hugely valuable.
Well, I'm sure like lots of people here, I've been to a good number of come along for drinks and networking events in my time. And although it's always pleasant to do it, it's a very rare occasion when you leave it thinking, I really took something out and I really learned something. And it wasn't just meeting some people, which is lovely, but it was also getting something, which I thought was great.